Yes. Oh my god! Pam di camera mewn gweithio? Ugh. Ugh. Na fo, dwi'n ôl. Fi eisiau cael mood lighting. Fi eisiau cael mood lighting. Gweithio. Croeso i'r stream. Dwi'n cod fyna. Fyna enemies newydd. Di'r microphone yn swnio'n iawn, cos mae'n edrych am pico as fucking hell. No probs da ti. Na i cadw democracy fynd tan hynny. Tan hynny, ti'n meddwl dwi'n dweud stalwart iawn. Neb judge fi. Neb judge fi oherwydd y plan ydy dwi jyst eisiau 15 just do my dailies like a chump. Dwi angen stalwart. Dwi ti? O, paid dwi'n mynd i'n locio fo. Machine gun. Hwn ddim yn glyfar na'n ffynnu beth dwi'n neud fan. What the hell? O, fydd 200 a lot. Well, dwi'n hyn i gyd. Mae Owain yn chwarae fod i joinio fi. Os di rhywun eisiau joinio, croeso i rhywun neud. Nath Owain dweud sef o'n joinio fi. Dyna pan dwi eisiau fatha neud hwn wan. Oh my god. There should be. Top tips. Cael y gun thing lawr. A diolch yn te, si eisiau joinio, a choeso. Ella fydd neud suicidal missions, ddo. Dwi'n mynd trwy'r gaslightio chdi yn y byd, ond... Oh my god, mae gwm yn boring. O, ddim yn fawr. Mae sentries wedi mynd yn shit.
Hello!
Helo! Dwi jyst yn cheesio'r daily
Ah,
mission. Mewn
nice.
very easy bug that killed
Yeah.
this amount of bugs.
Nice.
So,
Oh,
Dwi'n bron o
can we
goffan.
newid... Nice.
Dwi'n poeni
Can we
amdano
newid
di.
to mic?
Dwi'n meddwl fydd 200 bugs yn hwn. Cos
Oh,
mae'r mission
Ie.
yn 98%. Ond mae'r personal order yn 95%. O, allan fe iawn.
oh.
Should be fine.
50 percentages?
Should. O, na, dwi'n neud o. Eidl.
Ydy'r mic fi ddim...
Mae'n chdi weithio dda.
Yeah, hyn yn yr un headset. Yeah, mae'r...
Low quality, low quality.
Yeah.
O, dwi di bod... Dwi di...
Be?
Oh my god!
O na, be?
Dwi di bod yn... Dwi di bod yn full webcam. A ddim dangos... A ddim dangos... y gameplay whatsoever.
Pro
Oh,
streamer.
wow!
Move right there. Pro streamer move.
Oh, cos... Bod dwi'n mynd i webcam fi, mae gen i fi'r gameplay fach.
Yeah.
A gen i chat ar ochr oes. Dwi wedi bod ar hwnna ers 16 minutes.
Oh man.
Rwan mae'r good times ydych chi.
Quality content oedd hwnna.
Oedd hwnna'n quality content, hwnna'n embarrassing. Iawn, can I joinio squad chdi am?
Sick. Alright, dyna ni. Windows wedi newid fy default
Right.
communication
Oh.
voice. A dwi'n swnio mwy crisp.
O, ti'n sôn yn uwch da.
Oh.
Dwi'n gweithio,
Gawn
dwi'n
ni.
feidio na ddim mynd yn viral ar social media wan. Viral clip. O, fanna. Och, gobeithio ddim. Sy'n mor embarrassing. Och. Dwi'n
Oh
gobeithio...
na.
Dwi'n gobeithio di hwnna
Oh,
ddim yn mynd yn viral. So mae'n embarrassing so hwnna'n mynd yn viral wan. Mae gwaed yn aros ar cymeriad chdi wan.
Sample collection below average.
Chi'n gwybod yna?
Well, like ar y ship.
Ar y ship.
Huh.
Ac ar cymeriad chdi. Mae cymeriad fi efo gwaed on. Dyna bod ti online.
Once this cleanup operation's
Mae'n blwyddyn mewn nawr. Oh, dwi wedi prynu Chicago Town Pizza.
Ie. O'r ei bach na.
Na. Un stuffed crust. What? Major order completed. Reward 1.
Ie, Ward 1 dwi wedi cael yfyd. Ond dwi'n heb di talu fo allan chwaith. So...
Yeah.
automatons are a good
Na,
reminder
mae gen
never
i
get complete.
chicken a bacon melt neu rhywbeth. Or tomato stuffed crust.
Ie.
Basically completely, like, undo o beth roedd fi'n gwneud yn y gym heddiw, so, you know.
Nes i ddweud o'n i am bita fwy iach wrsos yma, a mae'n dim echa heb bita mwy.
Na, wythnos nes. So.
Ie.
Rwy'n ar-lein nawr.
So yun gotcha ni, AK did join ni. Achos so. Sylvia so join.
Initiating Allied destroyer has joined squadron.
Mae'r level cap di codi do. A mae na
Mm.
enemy type newydd.
50 mae level cap now.
Ie. A mae na AT&T workers.
Yeah, Marine gweld nhw ar Twitter. They're like, oh my god.
Not think of rebels as fellows. If our ideals are alien to them, then they are aliens to us.
Wel, it's gonna be holy warrior. Spear a heavy machine guns gyda fel.
Hmm.
Gallu bod dim yn un.
Nice.
Dwi angen cael special.
They're super, yeah.
We have new orders, Helldiver.
Super
Time has
samples.
come to rid ourselves of the automaton irritant once and for all.
Basically a major order from? Oh, need grenade.
Neud o. Neud.
Nice. Using the stalwart. I think Howler. It's a good read dynafio there, like Fange of a stalwart.
Ie.
Oh yeah, dwi 'di prynu fe hefyd, nice. Nice little machine gun, a stalwart.
Mae'n iawn, ia.
The enemy
Dim yn
is
viable i'r meta, de. That's for sure, de.
Yeah.
needs our aid.
Be ti eisiau gwneud, automatons neu terminids?
Dwi eisiau gweld yr new guys. Dwi eisiau gweld y
Ie.
new big guys.
Liberation neu defend?
I di ddewis. Up to you.
Ooh.
O, so hwnna, mae'n bad. Cadw leads
Ie.
guns un oer.
Lle oer?
Ie.
Christ, neu na suicide mission. let's throw
Ie,
in a
na,
lawr.
suicide, suicide.
Right,
Suicide.
syth mewn I suicide.
Ie, a wnaeth rwy'n eventually joinio ni.
Alright.
Da i angen y super, da i angen y super,
Another step closer
Yeah.
to a
da i angen y
successful
super,
operation.
stuff.
Initiating FTL jump to the Vandalon system.
Let's go. No, just down Space Cadet, that's in. All I do.
FTL jump successful. Hellpods primed. Mission coordinates locked.
This will only go well.
Right, ti'n siŵr? Ti'n mynd lawr fan hyn,
And
ti'n
that?
mynd lan ar draws?
Yeah, yeah.
What about here?
Got me load out.
Orbital laser.
Destroyer has joined squadron. Engaging orbital
Shift, really?
thrusters.
Yeah, Space Chief Prime.
Huh. Space Chief Prime.
Fatha ma'n deud ar y ffilm na. Built it, built it, built... Yeah. Built it, built it. Build it and it will come. It will come. Build the dreams.
Allied
Ah,
destroyer
boy, man.
has joined squadron.
Yeah.
Admiral.
Wreck a mats. We got this. Oh well, okay, it's cool out as well.
Yeah.
O, da mynd am hwnna.
15 on that.
Rail cannon, obviously.
Oh, sorry, no, ti'n go sylwi am mi. Yr
Cowpod launch.
buff thing.
O,
Rwy'n just coes. Then a rough terrain, that he does.
o ie. T'be, da ni'n mewn squad o bedwar, sy'n ta fe?
Nice. Yeah, nhw wedi really sort allan y matchmaking ar yno.
Do. Dwi yn meddwl hefyd, mae'r matchmaking house ar y lefel yma hefyd, da.
Yeah.
Ww, mae'n cymryd i ffili lwdio, ddo. Okay.
My thick atmosphere.
Shit.
Requesting advanced weaponry. Sub-objective nearby. Backpack inbound. Requesting advanced weaponry.
Oh my
Uh-oh.
god, with Hulk yn barod.
Oh shit. My Hulk wedi marw.
Yndi? Yndi, ddim yna.
Heavy. Northwest.
Oh, mae'n y dau.
O, mae wedi glitcho, cos ys i... O, na, do, deb. Ella fod o. O, do, mae wedi... So, beth ti... Os ti'n cael... Os ti'n cael y thing di dropio... O, na.
Uh-oh.
Pwys di resupply yn barod? Iawn, beth angen neud o yma?
Never know wedi galw un anghywir lawr.
Oh, shit.
Enemy patrol. North.
Uh-oh.
Got a sample.
Got a sample.
Yeah, it is sample.
Yeah, go. Ar y lookout amdan yr,
Oh, ys gyda chi.
am y thingamajig.
A big, like, yeah. right. Mae, ydw fi'n crazy neu ydy y peth super sample edrych fel, well, mae'n i'n chwith, mae literally fan hyn.
North.
Mae'n edrych fel a World Cup trophy.
Calling in an eagle. Administering freedom.
Beth oedd y boi yna dweud?
O. Dwi'n streamio, dwi'n poeni chdig bach be mae'n mynd i ddweud.
Yeah.
O, mae'r stickle ma mots. Be fi'n... So, dyn ni'n cael super samples ni barod.
Yep. Wy'n gael nhw.
Reit. Aros yn fyw, wan.
Yeah. Mae'n a pwynt interest i'r chwith am yna.
Yn fabricator, I guess.
Nah, just point interest.
Calling in an eagle.
Pwy? Pwy?
Mae'n eagle o'r point interest yna. Flamer bot dropping.
Got him!
Bum 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 bum.
Oh my god. Mae'n efo fatha shields. Op the bach, dyn nhw.
Oh my days, when I like 3 bloody rocket ones strung on her. Ac mae'n a Hulk. Oh god. Oh lord.
Ah, pob yn cwffio bo man. Ti'n gwybod hwn?
Easy. Easy. Fanna 4 rocket ones a un Hulk. Dim ddwy.
O, na. Dipyn o devastators yma de.
Package acquired. Dropping package.
Ydy e dal fanna?
Oh, shit.
Oh.
Ti'n gwybod coch da? Oh, sorry. Woo!
My life for Super Earth.
Oh shit.
The two.
Right, Hulk and Kirby.
Come on. Oh.
Wait, play? See?
Reinforcing.
Oh. Okay.
Ba-dum.
Mae'n y pobol yma dwi'n mwyn gili of.
Yeah.
Enemy patrol. East. On outpost.
Bitch! Ti'n mynd i'r cyr fanna? That's how we do it here.
That's how we party on Super Earth.
Rare sample acquired.
30 minutes, looking good.
Yeah.
Shit, I'm going in. Shit. Don't really sit there already, really point them down on
Nah.
It is.
Run just gonna anti-air
Yeah.
side objective thing.
Delta, move out! That's a chat.
Oh wow, no anti-air turret.
Ah, clever. The dissection.
I think this is new. Never seen this before.
I think they shoot the dropships out the air if they come close.
See through
Which
it.
is going to be extremely useful.
Oh shit.
Well, that's handy. I didn't know we had this.
Yeah.
Dwi isio mapio crouch at y dro.
Yeah.
Why does this flag remind me of Hawk?
It does a bit, doesn't it?
Doesn't help that we have
Oh shit.
APSCs walking everywhere.
Spear.
Oh.
Ja, det betyder
Ja.
värre.
Yep. Nice. What about peanut? Die shot or no?
Ie. Ti'n gorau cael nhw'n reid spith na ddo.
Hmm.
Whoa.
Oh, that's a drop now.
North.
Careful.
Sending in an eagle.
Oh my god, we're in a nuclear now.
Oh, did sy'n mynd i joinio ni os dwi'n jumpio allan. Well, oh my god, oes. Ideal, does it?
Nice.
Swn i'n argymell i chdi wneud y daily mission ar very easy. Chdi cael 15 easy war bonds.
Orbital inbound.
Da ddau yna? No, okay.
Got outpost spotted.
Oh. Dwi'n eisiau dim ys... Okay.
Dropped it.
Dwi'n cofio ddim...
Oh my god.
Ia, hynna.
Calling in reinforcements.
Tank.
Limerick tank.
Marking location.
Uh-oh.
And taller.
Got it.
Oh, it's taller. We died, chainsaw guy, it's all of it.
Got to round the rock. Okay, I'm gonna. Nice.
Ilang need of them evacuate. Evacuate. Ydy fi'n gyrru laser yn mynd i effaith y fyny? O bod.
Wel, bydd y... Dim ond os mae'r pobl yn cerdded o dan y laser.
Orbital incoming.
Dwi'n mynd i tafod orbital jyst i... Goff. A mae tŵr dan dweud. O, ti'n gweld o'r spaceship fi? Ti'n beth mewn yna.
Oh, nice. Immersion.
Wa? Yn edrych ar.
Ble mae'r...
Dwi'n meddwl un o ddrysa barod i.
Ie, mae'n drws draw fyna.
Ie, dwi ar un drws.
Mae'n drws... Ah. Okay, mae dim ond dau drws ta.
You two, go ahead and press the button.
Okay, let's go.
Smack those buttons.
Di. Dwi'n dropships na yun. Di lasers yn mynd... Di orbital lasers yn mynd dropships na di.
Na,
A
dwi'n
fydd
meddwl.
di'r Sam turrets yn mynd edrych na mynd job yn da iawn o gordd o'r dyn chwaith.
Nhw angen bod yn,
Ac
like, in the range yn nhw, yeah.
Di dau ydych chi'n gilydd bach o bwyntau.
Yeah.
Da i ni yn missions.
Mae bod rwy wedi gweld nhw'n seithi unwaith.
Pan mae mor ddistaw hwn, ia.
Mae yna grŵp o nhw i'r
Ie,
west.
dwi'n clywed i'r
Ie, nhw ddim yn symud, though.
yr ifan na.
Tagging location. Southeast. Cancel that. Enemy patrol. Southeast.
Looks like they're gonna avoid us for a moment. I think they're just standing still.
Yeah.
Shouldn't be a problem now. I'll keep my eye on them though.
Dwi wedi sylwi lot o them, lot o just sef... Oh shit, okay.
Calling in an eagle.
Gai fi tafod.
Uh-oh.
So,
Tank.
oh.
Bye-bye, tank.
That was surprisingly smooth.
Tank, ti'n goffan?
Yeah.
Nothing. No. Come on. Ooh, I told him and then shitty.
Marking location. Southwest.
Oh, and I'll go shields.
Nice.
Oh shit! No, 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 no!
Oh god. Oh!
Look at us, really.
Yeah. Ah.
Southwest, 200 meters. Extraction is available.
Så ni kan in... Ja, ni är tre side mission till.
Så. Trys inne, ja.
Marvel. Where's the pedal line? Men kabja. Oh my god! I pressed every button instead of heal then.
Så was dat? Så was de volgende.
Nah. We're running back.
Ah, så was
Enemy patrol.
Where we just grasky pull button on damn heal. Like, where we grasky like, there was like change weapon, emote, crouch, on damn heal.
Du mich schon Jinx Shiver. Du kan timmer
Hej.
der.
Probably do it in a bit. I got this one.
Åh, du det.
No.
De skal ned med at tage. Whoa. Oh my god, you live a gun, my gemeint.
Hell yeah.
Oh shit. Rocket Sky. Oh shit, man.
Call democracy! On the fabricator, west. Close. Throwing grenade!
Yes.
Hulk just respawned over my oh my god.
Which I don't know.
50 meters.
Bye bye, Hulk.
You got to have a shield now, more than annoying.
Yeah.
Slower. Okay. Zo. Oh, is weer een met zo.
Should I call it in?
Calling in extraction.
Ja, ja.
Yeah.
Never mind, someone else got it.
Ah, damn. bum 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 bum.
There you go. Ooh. Oh, give me shield of it. Just gonna be a this
Holy
thing.
sh! Yeah.
Shield, waar nog niet?
Oh, nice. Really marrow. Bloody rocket devastator, die KLV. On safe EV troll.
Oh shit! Oké,
thing.
oké. Doe
What am I doing?
Kloetsie. Oh, maar die gaat in al,
Yeah, I do know. On a rocket devastator, mewn a... Like a
Ka-
care thing.
Ja, du kan wel.
Ah.
Mogelijk, hè?
Hmm.
Met een shield, waar had je zo'n shield? Zo goed. Nee, fucking laser.
I do the peak villain deal.
Doe niet zo'n laser meer met pakken.
Ah.
Straight laser.
Ah.
Wat dan? Wat je wel iets,
Yeah. Not bad, like.
Calling in an eagle.
No.
No.
This
Oh.
happens way too often.
Yeah. There you go. Run.
Os ydyn hyn yn dropio allan, mae Dante eisiau joinio ni. Dwi'n teimlo'n drwg cyf allan.
Beth yn y byd i fynd dweud hwnna?
O,
Rec yma, beth yn dweud? Rwy'n methu deall fe. Mae'r mic fe'n really
o'n un ar ôl.
thick.
O'n un yn missing.
Rwy'n meddwl rwy'n na un arall rhywle.
Ah! Dante, os ydyn hyn yn dropio allan gyda joinio ni, dwi'n teimlo'n drwg yn cic allan i hyn.
Mhm. Yeah.
O, dwi'n... Dwi'n...
Oh yeah, ni cael gwaed ar ni nawr.
Ei. Y bom, dydych chi. O, that's dim arfer, do.
Yeah.
Freedom wins again. Welcome aboard, Helldiver. We can never have too many heroes fighting.
Cooldown. Power steering, siop na ie. 10. Oh, so station cooldown time. Use 10. Ah! Decrease cooldown for all backpacks. 10.
Hwn yn da EV.
Yeah, and then email.
You scrounge your backpacks to
O beth sy'n dda i fi? Look at power steering na ie.
Kylo ta?
Dwi'n byth e, dwi'n digon.
Aw. Sad.
Ni wrth ein reit tendi i cael slot i dydyn. O, pa'n di hwn, man?
Defend.
Hwn di'r map anodd, ie.
Yup.
Dwi ar recyr mat yr un peth, dwi.
O, ysgysodwch fi.
Hein sy'n anodd a suicide missions, ie.
Yeah.
A'r ffaith sydd ddim realistig yn gallu ffindio ti byth yn realistig ffindio super samples. A ddim gwybod AT&T yn yr un arall yna.
Marking location.
Ti eisiau edrych i fe?
Na, rwy'n ddim. Sy'n
O,
dda.
na, escorts di hwn!
Yeah.
Aaaa!
Ba, beth wyt ti'n meddwl iddyn nhw?
Ond ni'n meddwl un just lladd tomatons o.
O na, un awful yw'r un hyn.
Should I go and look for... Na, hei fe agos.
Requesting sentry.
Bom, bom. Ah, we're hit dod of a quasar lawr. No, nightmare.
O, tank, start o e. Ie, na fydd ar tank duties iawn. Ma... Sentry chdi newid cael ei weipio allan start o e.
Bloody, yeah, fy'r tank yn cael ei yna. I love that tank. Oh no! Uh-oh, tank arall wedi just dod lawr.
Shit. Please,
Come on, have you gwasgu heal?
Yng Nghach Nolys.
Heal.
O, dwi'n di...
Tagging location. Southwest.
Dwi'n di nôl, super samples iawn.
Go for it.
Rwy'n sy'n eich y World Cup, ie?
Mae yn, yeah. Ti'n cytuno? Mae'n literally edrych fel y World Cup.
Dibynnu sôn ydi o.
Found something.
Yes!
Like, os ti'n, like, squinto ac fathau cael un llygaid.
Tri ydi o, ie. O, to, ie.
Yeah, just tree.
Do, dwi wedi cael tri, wan.
Lad.
Lads! Lads, gonna be lads!
Super samples for the lads.
O, tank yn others.
Sick.
Requesting air support.
Requesting orbital.
Requesting sentry.
Oh, shit. Wyt ti'n dweud rocket gyda fe?
Yeah.
Tear sweep nhw.
We'd come in a rocket savant.
Oh my god, they're slow. Oh, I don't.
Look, Benty!
Kunnen fi laser yn dwi isio dal ar yn iwsio i ddweud y gwir.
Yeah.
Oh shit, man. Okay, di'r chainsaw guys, they're in. Oh my god, tank!
Oh shit.
Never mind, I got it. Wait, go ahead. Ooh, there we go.
Uh-oh, ma' 'na... Beth ti'n gael fe? Big boy.
Hulk.
Yeah.
Dyma o ish, dwi'n gwybod.
Ma' wedi mynd.
Tanky boy. O na, mae'n un yn mwynco.
Orbital inbound.
Oh my god, mae'n shitloads yma. Dwi'n bach yn stuck.
Whew!
Iawn, actually. O, mae na,
Reinforcing. Reinforcing.
mae na Hulk, ffoc o.
Oh, yeah. Shit.
O, mae'n literally fama. Dwi'n gyda fi orbital,
Calling in orbital strike.
the orbital strike.
Nice.
For prosperity.
Wa! Shit. Oh, ti'n gweld Hulk hwnna?
Yeah. Oh, fucking Kylie.
Calling in reinforcements.
Dwi'n ddim yn 2 munud sy'n fwy na dit, yndi.
Holy crap. Oh my god, we just got instantly mullered on her.
The Hulk dyl hwnna.
Methu gweld.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, mae on.
Oh, sy'n y siarad sy'n fyw hwnna. Sy'n y siarad sy'n fyw hwnna. Don't want to be that guy, mae bywyd fi bach pwysicach na bywyd chi.
Mae na Hulk arno fi. Oh,
Oh,
Lord.
mae'n Hulk hwnna. Mae'n Hulk hwnna.
Oh, mae na dau Hulk, ie.
Dwi'n taflu shield yn atach chdi.
Oh, lush.
O, dim arall fi ar cooldown.
Drone supply beacon. Requesting advanced weaponry.
Mae backpack.
Yeah, mae rwy'n cael ei diolch.
A Quasar, hwnna.
Oh, shit, come on! Rhoi y thing mewn anghywir pob tro.
Wa?
Oh!
Go on.
Hell yeah.
Woo!
Damn. Running good.
Suicide mission for them. Right, sy'n mynd gallu just pingio ni o bell fel hyn yn nuts.
Yeah.
Oh my god, mae bomb yn agos.
Hell yeah.
Let's go! Let's go!
Oh, that was beautiful. GG.
That was very clean. Even for automaton standards.
Ah, super samples.
Yeah. Super samples. Ooh.
Ugh. Da, da, da. Da, 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 da. Citizen Skull, no! Da, da, da.
Wow.
Space Cadet. Dwi'n tempted. Beth newid y Space Cadet.
Yeah. Just kind of a best damn space cadet in the
Yeah.
fleet.
Oh my god, man. Dwi'n di marw.
Right party hwnna.
Yeah. Dwi'n di marw yn y ddau mission dwi'n
Oh
yma.
my days, I just got an
Mission accomplished.
Hwnna good.
Quickly,
Okay.
too.
I think us returning with blood-covered coats is really cool.
Yeah.
I'm glad they added that.
Yeah, it's a good feature.
Oh, dim pista dwi'n yn okay.
Well, beth pa bethau?
Dim, Sgol fo. Blitz, na.
Engaging orbital thrusters.
Please don't tell me it's Blitz.
Na, mae'n ddim Blitz, mae'n ICBM neu rhywbeth.
Phew! Dwi yn casau Blitz.
Same.
Ni rwyf yn hoffi Blitz. Ooh.
ICBM. Allai fan hyn yn mynd rownd? Allai?
much land, is there?
No. I think we go here and then just go around.
Right.
We get in. We do the job. We get out.
Hell yeah.
That's what we get paid for. Finishing it, man. Peter's exosuit's just done.
Oh god, ysgyswyd fi. Rwy'n fi'n trio mute o. Fi'n miso button. Rwy'n bleed.
Viral moments. Dwi'n gobeithio di hwnna ddim yn... Dwi'n gobeithio di hwnna ddim yn viral moment ar TikTok.
Like right into the mic hefyd.
Dydy
More
un mission ar ôl dydy gyda join ni wedyn. Prepio dy hyn fyny dydy. Oh shit, mae'r thing... Mae'n...
Easy, hwnna beth. Mae'n just notification thing. Easy tower, hwnna beth rwy'n gael nhw.
Is that Greek for something?
Yeah, hawdd.
Oh my god, ddim yn go. Pwys ni'n neud object complete yn barod?
Fi, we just saved a 2 hour.
Sa pwynt yn dyna i nôl stuff?
Falle bydd na like rare samples neu rhywbeth.
Dwi'n convinced... Oh shit! Killed by Emrys Hobo. What?
Oh,
What?
let me know. Ti eisiau fi cael fe'n ôl I ti? Ti cael revenge arno fe?
Wedi marw barod dim ond. Hwna'n certified viral
Dyna fe.
moment.
Yna'r Emrys Hobo, boi, ti'n llaaf ti. Ti eisiau fi gael e?
I don't know. A fight with one death. And
Tagging map. South. 200 meters.
Oh, mae na
go.
thing drefn yn.
You got it.
Tagging location.
kind of.
Ooh,
Dim ond hyn di'r pob ond yn neud reit aml. Da i'n bod yn coci.
yeah. There's a side objective of you.
Lle?
Radio tower.
O, mynd un ar yma fyd? Ti'n dod yn lle ni?
Na.
Dwi'n pin yma. Oh my god, dwi'n dod at chdi iawn. Tyferw?
Na.
Oh shit.
Sorry, you didn't realize you were trying to walk in front of me.
Calling in reinforcement. Requesting orbital.
Oh my god, mae'n shit lot o tank tro man. Ti'n iawn o fanna? Sorry, fi hi.
Oh god. Yeah, we're okay.
You won, I'll come get you at home.
Request approved. Reinforcements have been launched.
Oh, bloody bollocks!
Sending in an eagle. Dropship.
O, dwi'n cael lot, cos mae'n ffocin fama, mae'r ffocin... Y tower, ie?
Ah, yeah.
Iawn. O, mae boi yma jyst yn marw, ie.
Calling in reinforcement.
O, shit, mae'n
Wel, y
tank.
dau bloody hawk yn dod arno ni. Oh my god.
Gyda fi tank. O. Ie, dych chi angen dod at ni, ie. Da ni...
Yeah, ni'n just gwneud y radar tower.
Don't touch it, it's already where it needs to be.
Oh, nice.
That's the second time that's happened to me now.
Calling in reinforcements.
Should we all try for the observer this time? Myself still over there as far as I know.
Down.
Yeah.
300 meters.
Century with Resident Evil 8. And Resident Evil 8, yeah.
Det involver vilka stuff
And it
idag.
looks like there's a second one somewhere. Oh yeah, I see it.
Bydd e'r tŵr o fama? Na, dw.
Nah, ti angen,
O, chwrdd efo.
yeah. Efo Hellbomb.
Dwi bach yn...
Ie. There's a shield backpack for you.
O, ia,
I'll show you.
fi... Shit.
What? Oh. Okay, the tanks hurt you if you climb on them, even when they're dead.
Okay,
Nice.
chainsaws.
O, lle mae backpack fi? So, ni'n cymryd backpack fi?
Backpack play.
No, ni'n cymryd backpack fi, dwi'n honest.
Dead. To get to reinforce it. They're into your Glanyara tank.
Na,
Oh my god.
Pan dwi'n eliminate, ti'n gyda fi fy hun eto?
Wow.
Da ni'n cael...
Falle mae'n like bullet bouncing neu rhywbeth? Neu just buggy netcode.
Oh, shit!
Bruh! No!
Oh my god, pan dwi'n fod gwn rong wan! Ia, dwi'n rhedeg i ffwrdd. Heb. Rhaid ni cael gwared o'r tŵr yma.
My god! Sut fi methu seifio fe mewn a bloody gwyneb?
Objective located. Southwest.
Holy shit. Run.
O, pan sy'n mynd bwysio!
Orbital inbound.
Oh my lord, oh my lord, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Engaging terminal.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!
Rhedeg i ffwrdd, dwi'n help bomb.
The area.
Orbital inbound. Reinforcing.
We're down to 6 and we haven't even got a single single tank.
Oh. Yeah, this one's a bit tougher.
Cos oedd ni'n sortio hwn digon fast, oedd o. So oedd ni'n...
Yeah, the tower keeps calling it and kept calling in reinforcements. Bloody tower. Uh-oh. Oh, nice.
Bring a shield.
Requesting
O, sy'n mynd bwysio!
Yeah, those towers are bloody annoying.
Oh my god.
Dropping a pin. West.
Tis your casa, quaza thing.
Magainian deal.
Tap back inbound.
Did he find your shield generator pack our flower? So,
Yeah.
mine in V now.
Oh my god, we're back and
God, I'm not... Loads more.
Rare sample acquired.
Holy shit.
Requesting air support.
just in here.
Sending in an eagle.
Als we nog een keer ten
Requesting air support.
Oh my god, stop your Glania and a door!
Sending in an eagle.
Sending in an eagle.
Dropship.
Drop shit. Later.
zo weet we het voor.
Ah. Rhythm in mana Durana.
Requesting air support. Have a taste of democracy.
Nice.
Oh, dat två är rätt gå.
Ah, god damn it. Yeah, my detection tower and then detection on me.
Get sample. Oh, tank, rocket guy. No more rocket guy. 6, Oh shit, we moeten.
Damn, son!
Ooh, give me fucking blinkers, ages. Woo! Tap them turrets though, man. But then just gonna do it. Oh.
Turret lead 40 seconds. 64.
Then die band dan niet. Hoe laat ze net aan? Oh man, dat je er nog wel met dan. Doe me gewoon niet op die, doe me gewoon niet op die maar in met dat.
Nah.
I was about to say that objective is right past that, so might be just convenient to get it.
Yeah, I agree. Oh shit! I know you do that.
Oh god. Stop
It
it.
just mean you ride on like bots and safe the Gilif now.
Bastard!
Ah!
O'n i going to go slow motion run.
Got him. Never mind, I don't got him. Oh no. Holy hell.
On a nuclear device yna.
Nice. Oh, super sample rock.
Do?
Gravity muted.
Iawn, ti eisiau nôl hwnna, nhw'n ni... Nes i
Ie.
ta llas na ty we, ie.
Requesting orbital.
Dwi eisiau talu laser i mewn. Laser handy jyst i mopio stwff fyny.
Yeah.
O! Nath y laser gwerthu fo.
Nice.
Shelved that to it iawn.
Run okay, man, I just die walkers on hwnna.
Just die walkers.
Sending in an eagle.
You... Ooh.
Were you mad?
Bydd ejected e.
No.
Suppressing fire! Dwi'n cymeryd hyn di suppressing fire. Be dwi'n neud o? Dim y patch na mi fod, oedd y patch cynt, de. 100% mae'n di gwella aim. Pobol ma. Oh shit, lle ma.
Man, a big 2R.
Lle ma dropship.
Sure. Oh. Enemy down, baby.
What do you think? Go after the small outpost behind us, or go for the...
Tagging map.
Yeah.
200 meters.
There's a big tower gun thing on the outpost.
Oes.
Bot outpost spotted.
She's a shield generator down.
Has anyone found one of those big walkers yet? I haven't seen one yet.
No, I haven't seen one yet either.
They must be fairly rare. Which is
Tell 'em.
probably a good thing, because I've seen people throw everything at it and just shrug it off.
Yeah.
Ooh. Anti-democracy propaganda. Oh my god, ti'n go into fyna?
Yeah, there's loads of them. All my days, man, a flower. Oh, laser. 1 minute time of a laser and done all. Oh, there's a lot.
Ti'n go no?
No, we just got grod like Kirf and dod trwy'r...
Just need cover. Doing the covering fire. Oh, tank guy.
Requesting air support.
Hit the fuck.
Requesting air.
Scrap metal! um, Instant grenade. A mine zone, because fuck him. Be dyna fi dweud yma.
Sample collected.
Mae'n just big outpost.
Dyma'r thing ddo. O, fanna, hello, fanna.
Oh!
O, god, tricky.
Heavy automaton outpost destroyed.
Got a sample. Northeast, 200 meters.
Ah!
Ow! Not gonna lie, I'm live mewn like a blizzard fel yna and friggin' cool.
Ai. Pryd o'n i ddim fatha'n... Ar goll. Da i'n gwybod beth o'n i'n neud.
Yeah. Like, ti just gallu gweld, like, coch trwy'r blizzard.
Oh my god, ysdi bod yn cael weipio allan gyda fi.
Mae fi'n soli beth oedd ti'n, like, neud fyna, like, right ar y funud olaf, and I was like, oh no, eiliad olaf, oh, I'm committed now.
Dwi'n mor fach sydd ddim...
Is there a limit to how much?
Dwi'n mor fach sydd ddim ionised fy cyn.
Beth oedd hyn? What were you stuck on?
50,000. I think that's the cap. Because I know I'm earning a lot more than that.
Ooh. Yeah, I think it might be.
Oh shit, dropships.
Tank.
Aye. Oh my god, what shield as well.
Yeah.
Ending in an eagle.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Sut ti'n cael y tank hwnna? Iawn, dwi'n neud... Yes!
Say hello to democracy.
Whoa! Kill by Emrys Hwbo eto! That's about one shot to fi.
Yeah, dwi'n cael hwnna right weithio, but mae'n just dweud, like, really lladd fy hun, ond... Dwi'n meddwl hwnna'n just glitch.
Game yma, fy glitch? What?
If patrols come through here, see if you can avoid them rather than kill them. They'll
Whoa.
walk right past if they don't see us.
Dyma stwff fi.
Ddim siŵr beth oedd e'n dweud.
Sydd ydych chi wedi pigo stwff, Do, ydych chi wedi pigo pethau i fyny, do.
Right here.
O, oh, fan fyd. Oh my god, dwi rili eisiau toilet. Dwi roed toilet mwy na dwi eisiau toilet mwy.
Dwi wedi rhoi, auto-cannon lawr.
One, two, three... Yeah, four, I think. Where's my gold?
Mae yna cwpl, like, na patrol yn dod. Mae jyst wedi light nhw lan. Oh, mae turret wedi mynd. What the hell?
So the turret... To the mission Kent, it showed a tank there, one shot at turret chdi.
Sick.
I don't know.
Engaging terminal.
Everybody down.
Oh, yeah.
Got a sample.
Emerges victorious yet again. Extract when ready.
South there.
Yeah. O, edrych ar hwnna. Democratic
Oh.
mushroom cloud.
I like mushrooms in the morning. Am I right? I like my mushrooms nuclear.
Shockwave of liberty.
My retinas have never been so scorched and so full of freedom.
Look at that.
Fair. Right, we're going to unmarrow as
Yeah.
soon as we get Gosling here.
I got it.
my... Okay, I'll counter denial. He missed! Whoops.
Fuck, I see through it. Oh, yeah. Oh, man, I just shield loads of stuff more the respawn you, uncle.
Sick. Love it. Thanks, game.
Bitch!
Maybe can't hit marker I'll gun vi fanna.
Du bytte jo ikke SMG-en.
Yeah.
Så sickle mar cool.
Requesting air support.
Oh,
I mean,
so-
Bob ran efo'r un fach ti ôl ni. Na, bloody hell.
nah. Let's get out of here.
Yeah.
Oh, man, a rocket guy.
Shit. I'm a rocket man.
The 2 minutes, let's get out. We're gonna go super samples. It's all about the super samples.
Yeah.
Hyn, ti'n gweld y patrols ma jyst yn self-populateio o'r pellter.
Yeah.
Dot levels yma.
Mae yna Hulk fan'na, rwy'n meddwl. Na, rwy'n real. Dim Hulk. Mae ddim yn Hulk. Yn anlwcus iawn.
Oh my god.
What? Oh, drop detected. Gen i'n gyntaf. Na, un ail cael tank. Oh god.
At the... Gynna fi cluster bomb. Ah, dwi'n isio, but
Mae'n
dwi'n
a
isio.
blooming thing. Mae'n blooming, what do you call him? Big boy.
Hulk.
Yeah. Holy shit.
Tanks down.
Bum, bum, bum.
Northeast, 50 meters.
Can't get a shot off. O, dau Rocket Boy.
Requesting advanced weaponry. Backpack inbound.
Oh my god, you got
Yeah, no, just said he bloody spawn all like.
Sending in an eagle.
Oh, Eagle Agos. Fuck.
Ah, Revintial. Wow, so Ravine, fine, hold on.
Oh, tank.
Uh-oh.
Die tank.
Oh lord.
Oh my god. I have to come in samples now.
Yeah.
Go, get the chopper.
Oh.
Oh, doe maar.
Oh!
Doe in. Ja, doe dan pies ydyn nhw.
Yeah.
Ella eich chi'n cic yn ni, Dudzy join ni. Dudzy, ti'n dal si
Yeah.
join ni?
I gotta get something on my board.
Yeah, we've been gadael yr y lobby. Bum, 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 bum.
Dwi'n gael Democratic P fyna. O, chdi.
Many sacrifices were
I
made.
cic i shift. Mae'n si siarad?
Yeah. Oh, good playing with you, boys. Good playing with you.
Good playing, man.
Oh, one of them left. You know where he got out.
O, anyway. O, just fucking... Dudzy, sy'n wedi gadw chdi? Ydy Dudzy isio code?
Gad i ymuno os ti'n ffrindiau a Steam.
Ie, mae'n chwarae PlayStation.
Ah, right, ti angen y friend code te.
Wel, dwi'n dweud y friend code yn y chat, Dudzy, os eisiau join ni. Murder. Increase ammo for all sentry by 50%.
Oh.
Increase health of sentries. Sa'ch ni'n neud engineering a workshop only? Sa sentries chdi'n
Hmm.
yn shit hot?
Yeah.
T80. Llai either neud handcat a 0G breach loading, neu allai
Oh,
improve steering for Helldivers doing help or deployment. Y ddau arall, ie?
yeah.
Dwi'n mynd i ddau
Oes gen
arall.
ti advanced construction?
No, no funds, what? Beb?
Wyt ti wedi prynu advanced construction? Yn engineering bay?
Na, ddo.
Na, okay.
Oh.
Just sunny bit. Rhaid eisiau faint ydi pris rapid launch system? Mae gen i 11 super samples.
Yeah.
So my advanced construction and pimp super samples. Also, with rapid launch system, also pimp. Kind of nice. Actually, Regathi Carl shock absorption gel, arc advanced construction, he kind of tanked up sentries.
Oh, bedien. Weet ik al,
Lady Show increases number of Eagle stratagem uses per realm by 100 in daar.
accept. Dat zit nu de accept echte. 10 goal win accept echte. Dat zie offline. Pas. Dat hem. Ah, hoe zie je er in crossplay af?
Wie?
Ja. Crossplay.
Daar weet je ook al. Na crossplay Arno.
Ja, crossplay on die weer. Die crossplay on niet die dat ze.
Options are gameplay.
Ja.
Allied destroyer has joined.
Hey!
Hey. Oh, level 32 of it.
Hell yeah. Zit weer aan van die friend request. Social, recent players.
Democracy.
Nah.
Weet je het
Weet je show aan naar
Democracy manifest. What's the charge? Succulent meal.
A succulent Chinese meal. That's my penis. Yn gweiddi rhywbeth fel hwnna, di e?
Ah, mae bots. Dwi wedi creu bots. Dwi wedi newid bots fi'n Discord fi.
Ia.
Rwan, pan mae stream yn dechrau, mae... Everyone! Bracket streamer yn fyw nawr yn neud un o streams yma. Mae'n chwarae bracket game. Bracket Steam Link. Ah!
Pro streamer move fel e.
Ah!
Oh. Hapus dal i wneud defence ar un planed, neu?
Ie, ie. That's level 32. He's one of us.
Nice.
One of us. One of us.
Well done, Helldiver. This operation will swiftly usher this planet's salvation.
Okay, un hyn yn cael 215 munud. Eradicate automaton forces, retrieve essential personnel, a launch wedyn 140 launch ICBM.
Okay.
Yeah. Pa'n ti'n gwneud, gyndaf? Eradicate.
Yeah.
Mission coordinates locked.
Mission coordinates
Prime.
locked.
Engaging orbital thrusters.
Oh, mae boi wedi bod yn lan.
What about you?
Ah.
Orbit
Well,
synchronized.
Yeah, mae pobl usually dim ond
Ah, so
stick around am un.
dydy fe'r meta.
Ooh.
Dydy... Oh my god, wedi continue. The hell's that?
Y thing here, yeah? Stalwart. And the personal...
Doing the personal. I respect that. Dwi wedi wastio super samples ar gyfer chdi, by the way. So, dwi'n ti hapus.
Beth ti di prynu?
Rhywun sy'n neud backpacks fi a felly yn gyn.
Oh. Legend.
10.
Absolute legend.
So fe, allai, ti'n gorau am dy laser it.
Yeah, ti'n meddwl laser. Mae'n hoffi... Mae'n really hoffi'r cluster bomb personol. Oh gosh, ask sort of fi eto.
Hellpod launch initiated.
Let's go!
Let's go! Oh. Being prone makes you less susceptible to explosions. When in imminent danger, dive! Diolch, training manual tips. Oh nah, I'm in a bloody map hyn.
Dwi'n meddwl cyfo.
Oh,
Humanity's children are in your hands. Do not let them fall.
O, dwi wedi spread y stratagems fi allan.
Uh-oh.
Go on. Go it.
Oh no! Oh lord!
Oh shit, be ma ta. Oh, tank.
Oh!
Oh my god, Spear!
Holy shit.
Yo, just consistently lladder I bach. It's all percentage based.
Yeah.
Oh my.
Ah, laser! Why? Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh. O'n i am sortio'r Hulk. Oedden si fod... tank.
Mae 'na tank arall yn dod.
No!
Oh lord. Oh!
No!
Oh, mae'n un efo bloody flamethrower. Oh my days.
O, pan nes i'n cael yn blyncyn?
Glanio arna un yna. Os fe gallu. Oh, na.
Dwi wedi literally glanio o flaen
Fi
tank.
glanio like a boise. Oh, shite. Oh, no.
Ooh, dyma i ddod.
Oh, my days. Be digwyddodd fyna i fi? Oedd,
O, dwi'n dal fyw! Shit, o'n i mewn i di marw! Yn stare y sgrin!
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no!
Dwi'n mynd i awgrym. O. Dwi ddim marw.
Oh, sorry.
Reinforcing. Sending in an eagle.
So there's sense ni gyd rhedeg I ffwr.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Dwi'n mynd I hynna.
It's ready to ffwrdd, yeah. Wedyn bod nhw angen dod I ni wedyn.
Yeah.
Mae'n syniad da. Yeah. Os ti'n gallu reinforce ni I ffwrdd o'r canol. Ah, mae reinforcement just wedi mynd allan y map.
What?
Dwi'n meddwl mae'r map hwnna fawr, ydy e?
O, na di. Di literally twitio'r fenna ti allan o'r map.
Oh, great.
Ah.
Oh god. Wyt ti gallu glanio arno fe?
Hey.
Never mind, mae wedi mynd. Lovely.
O'n i 82% fyd de? Shit. Shit. The whole glitch around in a bit. Ah, so
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god, rwy'n flin dod sy'n rwy'n nath i saffio ti. Ah, no!
Just made fuck it. Fuck it.
Get out. Oh.
Not our finest hour, are you?
Mm.
One thing, it's gonna overwhelm you. My god.
Yeah.
But they've got 3 stars. I think it's him.
Dim clan.
Oh my god. Back at base.
Oh.
Thank you. Dudzy, clutch, hwnna. For 88 kills. 30%. Look at friendly fire damage chi.
Mm. Sut ydy eich backpack yn teimlo? Drum?
Welcome back. Democracy's reach extends a bit further thanks to you.
No, just dim super samples ar missions nhw.
Hynna, I just didn't... O, ges i to dweud? O, na, extract, o, ie. O, sbia.
Oh!
I must have cael achievement. We were bobbing stratagems known to man.
Whoa.
Ti hefyd, mae'n siŵr oed? Wan?
Na, Rahib.
Good.
Ddim cael na gyd eto. Rai angen heavy machine gun, Eagle smoke, Eagle... Only 26,000.
Yeah.
Let's go old. Shield generator, go on.
Oh, 59.
Mae gen i...
Ydy'r Plas 1 Scorcher dal o well na Sickle?
Dim clem.
Gwario fatha 15 medals.
Ie?
Gwario llawer o medals ar y arc blitzer hollol shit, beth ydy. Dyma hwnna.
Just gwneud 50-minute retrieve essential personnel neu 40-minute launch ICBM.
Ni'n dweud 40 y tag. Ma, ydy dweud fod yr arc 12 blitzer yn shit.
Oh. Oh.
Be all about the, yeah.
Oh god, I just got a map in. Dechrau fan hyn.
Be all about the... Ti'n mynd iwsio Sickle, dydzi? Oh my god.
I guess dechrau fan hyn, a wedyn mynd round fel yna.
So we were dau noobs yma. Outfit fi'n. Bloody hell.
Well, like a grizzled old veteran in a film,
Yeah.
so like, stick with me and you'll live, boy. wedyn ti like marw syth ar dechrau'r ffilm, a wedyn y main character's like, no!
Dwi'n licio... Breaker and Sentry. Ie, mae hwnna'n digon buff, do.
Yeah. Nice.
Mae'ch Death Captains yma, mae'ch Space Cadet.
Mi'n i'n dangos ti y ffordd.
Hyd yr un sy'n... Chi yr un oedd chi ath i military college, a fi'n yr un oedd y NAM.
Yeah.
Ydych chi'n career soldiers. Fi fatha...
We're level on Creek Ferrum.
Dwi literally fatha cymeriad o'r seminal HBO show Band of Brothers.
Go now and shoot you fall. Remember this. Good day to die for democracy.
Requesting backpack.
Nid o. Dynti licio'r stalwart machine gun. Confirm. Oh, shit. Dyma dropship. Oh, shit, okay.
No. I'll get a second in. I missed the second in.
Oh,
no!
Yo, time to sortio'r thing as straight away. Let's go.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Whoa!
Requesting orbital.
I'll do a laser. Slaw.
Oh,
Fiona!
for a laser.
Pan mis ti sefyll dan... Dwi'n mynd yn angen, no, yn dan.
Hmm.
Wow, ti bron lladd fi.
Oh, sorry.
Wow.
Mae hwnna'n argamwain. Rwy ddim yn stiro. Promise.
Ti'n mynd i look efo to.
Ah, gweld, of course! Red egg! Dwi'n mynd i gwastraffu Hellbomb, like, innit? Oh, Dudsy Red Egg! Dudsy Red Egg! Dudsy Red Egg! Oh my god.
Sy'n lladd yn ti?
Nah. There's a Hellbomb Bron, Kyler.
Ah, fuck that.
Oh.
Calling in reinforcements.
Mynadd gyn Dynty efo efo stalwart yn y missions yma. You wouldn't see me dead.
Be, efo stalwart.
Efo low level stratagem. No, thank you. That is all about those war bonds.
Rare sample of
Yeah, where's the area? Oh shit, that should be doing nice.
Dropping a pin.
Leave it.
Southeast, 100 meters. Rare sample acquired.
Ah! Oh,
Objective located. East.
dan niet echt gewoon naar Jets 10 uur.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, a Matthew Cradia. Oh na na, beth ydi enw i? Oh na na,
Dropping package.
beth ydi enw i? Hwna ddim fy enw, hwna ddim fy enw. Alejandro.
Ti'n gwybod yr hack efo'r artilleries ma? A hefyd, ti ddim yn...
Dropping package. Package acquired.
Affirmative.
Dwi'n mynd i hel y things gynta, cos dwi'n meddwl bod ti'n enabler thing ma.
Yeah.
Mae o'n
Package. Package acquired.
spawnio.
Ooh. Nuke.
Dropping package.
Dyn ti'n gwybod,
Acquired.
dyn ti'n gwybod amdano y hack. Ti'n gwybod pam?
Nice.
Cos mae'n soul.
Mae'n gwylio y pros.
Do, mae di
Pro streamers.
post-streamers eitha ni. A boi pirate software na. Dwi'n sydd yn really poblogaidd.
Oh my days.
Ooh, high yield explosive.
Sample.
Yes, please.
Package acquired.
Oh, sbia. Shit! Siwyd yn ddigwylydd a meddwl sy'n ni'n gallu
Reinforcing.
one shot him.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Requesting air support.
Oh, eliminated by Dark Ghost.
Sorry.
Class.
So beth i roi mewn y
Oh, just whatever, dwi'n meddwl.
high yield explosive?
Yeah.
Okay, right. High yield explosive gadaf. Wedyn explosive. Wedyn explosive. Wedyn napalm. Ac wedyn
Package acquired.
static field.
Yeah.
I swear, nhw'n newid like yr edrychiad y bloomin' things pob tro.
Terminal.
O'r napalm ar fe bod, like yr un skinny o'i fel, like efo like...
Melyn.
Yeah, mae'n coch nawr. Rwy'n meddwl rwy'n un, you know, efo like a weird shape, dim o cone.
Your backpack.
O, ysgolch yn dda. Edrych ar hyn. Croeso i Jackass.
Tagging map. Northeast. 300 feet.
Hey. Dau yn nhw. Ti'n serious, mate?
Bloody hell game. Mae
Chill your
dropship yn dod.
ass.
I got it!
Iawn. Rhaid siwr na ddau do.
Yeah.
Yeah, move out. Move out!
Marking location. Never mind.
Oh shit.
Nes i mynd i'r chwith, nid y dde. edrych ar y map. Beth ti'n meddwl?
Yeah, there, yeah. Oh shit, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Dropping a pin. Northwest.
Ie.
Dwi'n hynny wedyn, cwm. Dydyn nhw'n neud yr un masaf na wedyn, ia.
Bom, bom, bom. Bom. Do.
Oh my god.
Ooh. Oh, jeez.
Yn byd mor frustrating na, ti 100% siŵr ti wedi dropio stratagem yn y lle iawn. A dim yn
Yeah.
Tagging map. Northwest. 300 meters.
lle mae... Super Sam.
Heb gweld yr Herig eto. Oh, gwych. Wel, definitely ddim mynd i gweld e mewn y bloody blizzard.
We keep going! Don't stop! We keep going! Environmental storytelling yma. Sbio ar y map i os yna beth yn yr gwyliodir yna, dwi'n meddwl os yna gys.
No. Whoa!
Oh my god, beth y symud?
Alright, Blizzard.
Whoa. Right, Blizzard. Sort out Overwatch 2, please, Blizzard. Hwna'n comical video game joke. Satire. O, mae yna... rhywbeth o fanna, ie?
Northeast.
Oh, yeah.
Be, dwi'n gwybod, ie.
Just base from meddwl nhw'n edrych fel searchlights.
Air sample acquired.
Okay, then gyntaf.
Dwi'n meddwl yn y golwm byd.
Oh my god.
Oh, corner.
Liberty, that's what that was.
They went off a clear. I'm not good to then.
Yeah.
Have you seen the new cloaked ship? Do you remember the thing?
No.
Do you remember the thing? Apparently, in a cloaked ship in the hour.
Oh, on a creek, yeah.
Oh my god! No, that's it! No, that's it! What?
Orbital inbound.
Shit. Tank! Die tank!
Shot in here?
Oh god. Die tank. Oh my days.
Samples collected.
Oh, I'm gonna pistol there. To the things that I see the pistol or the cloud.
Thing. What?
But skull off.
Fabricator, north, 50 meters.
Him Clem.
I do like to taste freedom.
Jammer. Oh, wait there. Anti-air cannons. Oh, I'm having this. Okay.
Point me to the enemy.
No.
Jammed.
I'm slow you below.
Backpack inbound.
Oh, I'm gonna shield loads of it.
Southeast.
Oh, I'm gonna fucking. Oh, because the heavy devastators that many fuck you, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god, Hulk. Great, whatever.
Oh. That's- Uh-oh, many no flamethrower ones.
Ie, da angen...
Oh.
Regroupio chydig bach yn da.
Got him.
O, hwnna dipyn dod ffordd fi.
Oh.
O, dwi'n mwyn stopio dod ffordd na. Rhaid jyst pwysio fyny ffordd ma, dwi'n mwyn.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Nice. Oh god, BRB.
No! No!
Southeast, 100 meters.
Rhaid ni gadael o... O, mae'n ei fynd yn BRB yn rhywbeth.
Got a sample. Marking location. Spot. Never mind. Southwest.
Requesting air support.
An eagle.
Shit.
Dropship.
Oh, shit.
You know.
Yn ebdi. Rai, dropship.
Oh, nice.
O, dwi fi
Requesting orbit.
laser. Ah, wast.
Oh.
Dala.
Bumper!
Fly beacon. Enemy patrol.
Dropping a pin.
Rai, just...
Yeah.
Just have to battle through, does he?
Requesting advanced weaponry.
Oh, sentry.
West.
Hell yeah, sentry.
Tara sentry.
You got like a video not ble of rhywun yn taflu sentry lawr.
Is dim
Wedyn,
ond hwnna fan o'n?
what?
Lle dwi'n pingio de, ond just... Ach go silhouette un o'r soldiers sy'n cyrra fewn i'r
Oh.
dŵr.
Ddim siwr. O na, ti wedi gweld y fideo na ble? Rhywun yn taflu, like, autocannon sentry lawr.
Ie.
Wedyn rhywun yn, like, dringo ben fe as mae'n dod lan o'r daear. A mae just flingo fe dros y map. Rwy eisiau trio hwnna. Oh my god, edrych i'r chwyth.
Gweld.
Mae 'na beth yw'r technical term? Llawer.
Yeah, I'm gonna be... Oh shit, yeah.
Oh my lord.
Go back. Oh my god, yeah.
Sending in an eagle.
Ah! Cael ei bloody seithi as soon as the Quasar spool o lan.
Beth sy'n syth ddim yn co? Oh, I've been devastated.
Point me to the enemy.
I'm not hacking, I'm just good, guys. I haven't got wall hacks on. I haven't got an Asus RTX card. Hwna, dwi'n gallu hacio, yeah?
Yeah.
At a hardware level.
It's just ridiculous though, like hardware level hacks. Like sut ydi'r manufacturers gallu roi nhw ar y ceir? Mae'n just insane.
Mae'n un arall, fatha, ond pethau hun sy'n reid o, Nvidia, lle mae'n gallu darllen y minimap yn Dota neu League of Legends ar y gwylod dde, ac yn iwsio AI gallu creu point to round screen chdi, neu, o, bydd yna rhywbeth o dod ffordd yma wan.
Yeah.
That's it. Back in my day.
Sut, like, ydy EA neu rhywbeth mynd I trio siwl y card manufacturers?
Oh.
Edrych i'r chwith!
Yeah.
Edrych i'r chwith!
Yes, super. Yes.
Mae'n
This is why we fight, to get super samples to get high on.
Let me just Google it. World Cup trophy. Yeah. Mae'n edrych fel messed up World Cup trophy. Boom. Super samples, baby!
Oh shit.
No!
Requesting air support.
Oh my god.
Oh my days.
Ond... As hwnna...
Fire in Malaysia!
Oh.
Oh my days.
I'm down. Oh my god, 11 minutes gyda ni.
Oh lord.
Calling in reinforcements.
Oh, did you
Oh,
manage? Oh,
no.
sorry. I'm so
Di
falling
dyn ti'n rili pell I ffwrdd. Please with him.
miles away.
Democracy has landed.
Make stuff and then.
Calling in an eagle.
Okay. get this done, lads. Let's lock in.
Get some! Get some!
Ah!
Reinforcing!
Oh, rwy'n methu styro at all fyna.
Na, mae di nerfio stereo there, big time.
Rai weithiau rwy gallu styro, rai weithiau rwy ddim. Rwy ddim yn cyson.
With the heavy... Oh.
Rwy'n mynd i trio fflingio fy hun efo'r turret.
Calling in reinforcements!
Dwi'n be?
Rwy'n mynd i trio fflingio fy hun efo'r turret.
Fflingio dy hyn efo'r turrets?
Yeah, gwylio hyn. Os mae'n gweithio. I fe'n doniol.
Gan ni... Bach o issues yma.
Ah, rwy fi ddim gweithio, rwy fi'n bri araf. Sad. Rwy'n gweld nhw.
I got the terminal. I'll handle the terminal. I'm on it. Engaging terminal.
Oh, dwi di iwsio lasers fi gyd. What?
The hell was that? Beth oedd y sŵn o'na?
Ai hwnna di'r... AT&T.
Oh.
Si gwod o.
Ie, fe'n swnio'n... Bod yn fas, mae'r bloody thing, mae'r autocannon fi'n light o pobl.
Sgwyr fi'n laser ol gyda llaw. Hwn. Oh, SOS beacon.
I got the terminal. Calling in an eagle.
Dwi'n goffen dy fod o, fa ma da.
Ie, bro, mae just fuel o. Come on, fuel!
Oh.
South, 100 meters. Marking location. South.
You observe democracy world.
Yeah!
Action awaits.
That's how you do it!
This is how you do it.
Oh. Damn, du got AT&T there.
Nah.
Oh shit, no.
Oh my god.
Go back, that's it.
Holy shit, mae 'na hook arall!
Ww, da ni'n reit isel ar...
Oh god, yeah.
Requesting air support.
Dyna ty fi am eiliad i chdi gael just... Dwi'n bom.
Nice.
O, sy'n nath o ddim... Sy'n nath o ddim gorffan o? Iawn, dwi wedi mynd rownd.
Dwi wedi cael e.
Dwi'n cael o, do.
O, mae 'na un bloody arall!
Dwi'n dod. O, mae'n rhywbeth yn syth i trwalu ar i fi. Mae'n rhywbeth...
Nice.
Oh, shit! Hulk.
Hook arall.
O, dwi'n mynd i farw yma.
Oh my god, yeah! Mae un arall, oh my days. Pam mae 'na like 5 hooks fan hyn? Oh my god.
Reinforcing.
Dwi'n rhedeg i ffwrdd. Ti'n angen rhywbeth? Sbio lle
Dwi'n mynd i
dwi'n...
ffeindio.
Ie, sbio lle dwi'n salu'n stwff.
Lad. Oh my god, mae dal sefyll?
Mae'n un ar ôl.
Southeast. Close.
Dudes, ddim yn a shield generator fan hyn.
A Quasar oes, os eisiau ddim cael fucking machine gun off nhw.
Ni'n ar ôl ochr y map i'r bloody exit, holy shit. Rwy'n
Ie.
meddwl rwy'n lawr fan hyn. Ni'n ar holl o ochr
Oh,
anghywir.
shit. O, reis mynd, dwi'n.
Yeah, it's just red egg i'r exit. Oh god. Hynny'n mynd i bod yn ass.
Dwi'n iawn, dwi'n meddwl, just dim stratagems bydd fydd yn yna, ie.
Yeah.
Un fucking thing yn syth ni. Da ni'n neud bod dim tyna, ddo. Ti'n math o ddeu heb?
I don't know. Sa'n sure.
Ie, mae'n 2 minutes ar ôl hwnna, does?
Yeah. Mae'n a 2-minute extraction, o'n meddwl.
Dwi'n mynd y pobl yn
Marking
fanna.
location. West.
Yeah.
O bom. O na, ddim bod fewn. O, dwi'n meddwl! What? Oh shit, cofyn nôl sydyn! O, dwi'n meddwl dim! Cofyn nôl! O!
Another diver for the cause.
Ych chi'n ôl stwff fi.
Throwing supplies agent.
Ble ti'n marw?
Boddi fanna.
Na, mae wedi mynd mewn i'r dŵr.
O'n i efo'r super samples. Sure.
Methu pigyn nhw lan. Oh. Fi bron cael nhw.
It's a go.
Na.
Nah. Met.
Oh god.
O, dwi'n bron allu gael o! So'n point e, cos ble mae'n eill yn byd e. O, dwi'n gallu super samples!
No.
Cos eisiau...
Ah.
Cos eisiau jump mewn i dŵr heb dim stamina.
Oh man. You're 10.
Embarrassing. Whoa. Whoa.
I'll need a finger guns though.
We will fight on in the memory of those.
Dwi'n mission ar ôl.
Un mwy. Oh.
Dwi'n filan. Dwi'n absolutely filan am hynna.
I need 15 munud. Extract personnel.
Fi nath colli'r y super samples, dwi'n teimlo na ni gyd nath colli fo. Oedd hwnna'n bai pob am y ffaith nes i boddi fanna.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh.
Wel, laser, un laser dwi'n cael, ddo. Ydw i'n real cannon? Laser.
Mae Royal Cannon un shot a mae'n cooldown yn eitha hir.
Cytuno. Dwi angen dal angen 65 kills o stalwart.
Same, we heb gwneud hwnna o gwbl.
Just mynd i very easy. Nes i wneud o'n un mission very easy yn y bugs. A that kill, beth na. Mae'n union 200. So that kill percentage of bugs.
Yeah.
Union. Fel baint i angen, lle. Ready?
Bom, 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 bom.
Proton launch initiated.
Dun 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 dun. Dun, dun. Dun, dun. What?
Oh ja, honderd.
All the galaxy looks
Sair in yma.
so let nothing stand in the way of liberty.
We're safe now.
Requesting sentry. Dropships.
There. I'm going no.
What? What do you call direct hit ar engine hwnna ar fydd ddim yn lawr?
Requesting air support.
Yes!
Ja, nee, weet je wat. Ain't gonna lie, o'n i'n sbio rownd amdan, Oh my god, mae'n stuck o! Auto cannon chdi!
Calling in reinforcements.
Oh my god, man, there's so many of chainsaws!
You got this, I do need fun, man.
Dropships.
Oh, oh. Oh, my tank!
Orbital inbound.
Oh, it's...
Requesting air support.
Oh, tank boys, tank boys.
Request approved. Reinforcements have been launched.
Oh my god.
Um...
Advanced weaponry.
Orbital inbound.
Holy crap! Oh lord. Oh my
Oh,
god, oh
shit.
my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh shit.
Ja, dwi'n loopio rei rownd i yma.
Oh shit.
You'd like to taste of freedom.
Of course! Of course! Of course, rwy'n fi'n glanio'r boes e, ddim llafe, a rwy'n y bloody flamethrower un.
O, dwi'n bach yn...
Reinforcing.
Oh my god, mae'n tank, o. Agos. Yeah, we're not doing this.
Sending in an eagle.
Oh my god.
Oh crap.
Requesting sentry.
Requesting air support.
Mynd i ti'r back foot y mission yma, ti'n back fucked it.
Yeah.
Dwi'n rili gallu neud yn byd na. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, beth sy'n yma?
Oh! Oh my god! Brilliant dudes sydd i'n ffynna. Rwy'n fy mynd i healo, a rwy'n pen fe yn gysgu flannu.
Oh! Oh! Fucking nes i fynd yn aimio fyna. Oh my
shit.
god. Taflu yno.
Yes!
Point me to the enemy.
Oh, dos... Oh, ma!
Shit! Ble fe'n dod o tu ôl fi? Oh, my tank! Oh, difri!
Da ni wedi bod ar 15 as ages. So beth dwi'n actually wedi neud o'n? Dwi'n mynd i chwilio amdan y super samples. A just fatha, oh my god!
Yeah.
Just, because the mission's done, yeah.
Holy shit!
Ond sa'n ni'n just yn ffeindio super samples a just rhedag amdan yr y ship yn diwedd.
Tagging location. Calling down a sentry. Down.
Calling in reinforcements.
Oh!
Dwi'n ffeindio fo?
Nice.
Ond ma'n tank efo fo? Oh shit, turret dwi'n e.
Sending in an eagle. Found something. Rare sample collected.
He's invincible ar un o'na.
Found something.
Ie, stwffio main mission o'n.
Have a taste of democracy.
Shit.
A be fi gyrra no? O ia, mae bod dim fi'n...
Backpack inbound.
Pwy sy'n joinio ni?
Or soul.
Dan, da ni di ffwcio ni fyny. Da ni efo super samples. A da ni literally disgwyl i picker.
No!
Gweithio ti'n licio fod efo ni, e? Ti fyny, Iwan.
Roedd neb rownd fi. A roedd fi'n, like, troi rownd, safe un o'r Hulk things. A wedyn roedd un o'r, like, Sunny, un o'r Psychos yn tu ôl fi. Like, what? Oh my god, beth oedd hwnna?
Na fi aros yn...
Trophy... Waffi ble Ryan?
Lle ti? Lle ti? O
Edrych
ti top
lan.
yna? Hit? Da eisiau survivio, fan.
Rwy'n methu dod lawr. Heb marw.
I dre. Mewn ffordd ma? Sut rhain yn gweld fi yma?
Bollocks, like, ydy e.
Hwn di'r strat newydd. Ti'n meddwl hyn di sponio fan fan?
My god!
Oh my gosh, neb yn fan fan!
Ie, nhw gyd efo fi, man...
Pas.
Just when he got from tree! Tree Hulks, mae'n y pimp Hulk fan hyn
Ie.
efo fi!
Ie, just
Right,
sorry.
we're just like...
Ie,
we're
just...
just like...
Na, paid o ddod fi!
Paid nhw
Paid,
fi.
ie, paid o ddod fi!
We're not fan hyn. Literally, we're like... Oh my god! What the hell?
Can we actually, like, F the system?
Yeah, reinforce supposed to, reinforce supposed to. Oh my days.
Oh shit, scream fucking Quasar Camden. Ooh. Oh, fuck off, Chainsaw Man! Paid oed ti di marw?
Na?
Oh, okay. Chdi... Oh shit, Hulk.
Iawn, boys.
Chi iawn? Da ni'n... yn
Ie.
just bod yn cachors. Dwi efo 3 super sample. So, os allai gael nhw dda...
O, na eto, ie. Hwna good strat.
Yeah, I just stuck ar ben y mynydd yn. Wel, I'm sure os dwi'n gallu actually dod lawr. Heb marw.
Dwi'n mynd i tafod y person nesaf i fewn. Oh my god, die Hulk, hwnna, fuck off.
Uh-oh.
O, ie, Hulk at gael fi. Oh, god.
Ti'n iawn draw fyna? Mae just reinforcement after reinforcement dod drofyn in.
Ella i chdi lladd hyn yn munud o'n.
Oh. Right.
Ie, mae dod i pigo ni fyny, wan. Shit. Na!
O lle ddo? Oh my god.
Eich di'n atgoffi. Eich di'n atgoffi. Cos gyda 3 super samples. Holl pwynt ydyn ni'n neud yn...
Oh my god. Lle ma'n corff chdi?
Dwi'n mynd i gael map. Chwyth. Mae'na dros...
Oh my god.
Mae'na hwnna. Hwnna reit o fai chdi. Ie, hwnna. Just hyn y ffwr, hyn y ffwr. Fel mae'n troi o?
2 munud?
Na chi feint sy'n na. O'n i'n gofyn.
2 munud a 15.
Ond mae'n modd o'n dod yn syth, wan.
Oh, fuck off. Os mae hwnna'n cael fi fanna, ie. So rhywun arall yn fyw?
Yeah,
O, ti fyw.
just about.
Wyt ti'n gallu... O, ti'n nôl? O, ww.
Holy crap.
Rheda amdan... Dan, so i dennu'r agro. Dwi eisiau 3 super samples ma. Dyn ti'n dweud ar y stream yna. Bot drop detected. Ar pen sgrin. Ma... Ia.
Be mae'r cyrff?
O na, ma... Just angen protectio... Dan. Bos efo fo.
Okay. Ceri landing zone. Dwi'n trio cadw'n clear. Oh my days.
Oh, Hulk, oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh, shit.
Oh, fucking hell.
Rwy'n mynd i trio dal y Hulk, like attention y Hulk. Oh god.
Oh my god.
Get fi pre-teen mewn y shuttle. Hulk's on me.
Come on. Let's cheese these 3 super fucking...
Yes!
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Oh.
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 Oh my days.
Ei, si'n joini adeg iawn yna do.
Reit yn diwedd, ie. Just i... Watch on. Unexpected.
20 XP and 3 super samples.
Oedd o'ch di efo super samples, ydych? Ysdi pigo gen iawn i...
samples.
Ie.
A nes i pico sicl chdi fyny?
Ysdi pigo thing mi fyny?
Na, jyst i wapio chdi, ia?
O, na! O, do! Yes! 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 Geinio'r system. Pan mae'n rhywun... Dod o drosod. Iawn, dwi'n mynd o'ch stream yma na. Diolch yn fawr iawn i pob hwnna'n good gameplay. So'n shit, so'n o'n viral wan. A so'n ni'n gallu byw off yr revenue. Yeah. Goodbye.